Welcome everyone, this is Vlogs of an Idol. My name is Joen. So it's been over a month now since I've owned the Haylou GT1 XR. For those of you who may not know, Haylou GT1 XR is an upgraded version of the GT1 Plus. Same upgrades lang sila as the GT1 to the GT1 Pro, bigger case, and bigger mAh capacity. Now come to think of it, I haven't tried a standard version of a Haylou earbud. I miss the feeling of these earbuds kasi I gave mine, the Haylou GT1 Pro, to my girlfriend na kasi ang dami ko na rin namang earbuds na dito, so mas mabuti pang ipamigay ko na lang iba sa mga loved ones ko. And grabe, Haylou really perfected the comfort feeling on these earbuds. Seamless ang feeling ng buds, even for hours of use, I've never felt any hurting on my ears. Perfect na perfect talaga ang shape niya for me. Though there is one downside to the design of these earbuds, their tips. The tips are too wide and huge for me. Even with the smallest tip, it is still big compared to some of the ear tips I've used. And as I've mentioned to my past videos, ear tips greatly affects the bud's sound quality. Before we head on to the review, don't forget to check out my unboxing video of the Haylou GT1 XR because I am giving them away to one lucky subscriber. Go check out the video right here to learn the mechanics. Now, back to the review. Another thing that got me disappointed with the Haylou GT1 XR is its bass performance. Haylou, you betrayed me! I thought we're bass all the way! Akala ko habang buhay mong pagugundungin yung tenga ko ng pangmalakasan mong bass. Pero bakit ganun? Bakit nawala? They seem to fix the overpowering bass issue on the Haylou GT1 Pro. Well, for me, it really wasn't an issue kasi I am really into that deep and heavy bass. Also, they made the sound effects of the buds more premium, sound of a light bell being touched. Ganun na lang yung tunog niya. Hays, I hate premium sound effects. Now for this review, we'll be doing it more differently because I've already reviewed the Haylou GT1 Pro. They're both the same in terms of design and durability naman, so hindi na natin sila kailangan pang ulitin ngayon. Sa sound quality lang rin naman talaga ang pinagkaiba nila. So if you want to check out my review of the Haylou GT1 Pro, you can click here. So I'll just discuss the noticeable changes that I've encountered. Like how the buds lit up. When you're done charging the buds, it will only turn off its lights, unlike the Haylou GT1 Pro, which lights the buds white. Also, this one has a gaming mode which is triggered by triple tapping to any buds, and I think it's already turned on by default. Some new versions of the Haylou GT1 Pro also have this feature, so if you bought one on November 2019, don't expect that you have this kasi newer versions lang ng Haylou GT1 Pro ang binigyan nila. I've used them while gaming and I'm impressed and surprised at the same time on how low the latencies are in these earbuds. It's not perfect but sobrang onti na lang talaga ng latency, hindi ka na gaano magko-complain. Battery life has greatly improved as well, capable of using it for 4 hours straight, unlike the GT1 Pro which I can only use for 2.5 hours. Surprisingly, they're the same or even have a better battery performance than other much more expensive earphones such as the Mi Zone B6, the Realme Buds Air Neo, and so on. Charging doesn't really take long. You can charge the buds for an hour while charging the case for almost 2 hours. And you can charge the buds 7 to 8 times if you drain them before the case runs out thanks to its 800 mAh capacity. Sadly, it is still on micro USB. Could have been better if it were Type-C para naman malaman natin kung may sense of progression din ang Haylou sa mga earbuds nila. It is also IPX5 rated, so sweatproof na siya. Great for those daily home exercises, Zumbas, and gym activities. I said home kasi I don't recommend you guys going outside to go to gym and exercise kasi pwedeng-pwede nyo naman gawin yan sa bahay nyo. Unlike this degenerate here who condones and enables public mass gatherings. I mean, dude, bro, it's not that they don't want to go to gyms because they're lazy, di sila motivated pumunta. I mean, bro, may pandemic pa at it's unsafe to go to public gyms. Madalas nga maraming nakakakuha dyan eh. And sure, sige, mag-gym ka, pero hindi mo kailangan invalidate yung mga nag-gym sa bahay nila or nag-exercise. Pwede ka naman bumili ng sarili mong equipment eh. Mas safe pa nga yun kung sa bahay ka mismo mag-gym. Ba't mo sila ina-encourage magkasakit? Ba't mo sila ina-encourage lumabas ha? Ano bang nagawa nyo? Napakalaki mong braso mo, ka naman tak. Anyways, it may not fit to some of the ears, like mine, kasi the tips are really wide and huge. May feeling na parang malalaglag siya, but luckily, I did the shake test and it didn't fall off. Now that all of the difference I've noticed are said, it's time for its sound quality. For a 1,000 peso earbuds, this is one of the few that you won't complain the money you spend for. And sa halagang yon, meron na siyang advanced specs like the Qualcomm chipset and aptX codec, which are found on expensive earbuds. Di ka na talaga manghihinayang pa. These are one of the most balanced earbuds that I've ever used. Nothing is overpowering, everything is in line. But really, the downside on these earbuds for me are the tips. Yes, I've said it like 4 times na. It's so big for my ears that I can't receive all of the sounds the earbuds should deliver. The tips get blocked on my ears kasi, kaya music feels drowned, muffled, or even lowered in volume. Sayang lang talaga kasi this could be the best sounding earbuds on its price point if it weren't for its huge tips. However, I did try and use the ear tips on the Mi Zone B6 and switch it to the XR, and just as I expected, everything sounds better now. You can hear the music more clearly, all of the vocals sound smooth, it somehow unlocks more sounds that the earbuds offer. So, Haylou really did themselves. Snares are as high as it can be. Depth is pretty lacking. I mean, if you've used the GT1 Pro, which has the overpowering bass, you'll know that on these earbuds, it's lost its power on the lower frequencies. I guess what Haylou really did here is that they balance all of the frequencies so they won't hear any complaint from users. Kasi ang dami talaga nag-complain na sobrang overpowering ng bass ng Haylou GT1 Pro, na mas nananaig daw yung bass kesa dun sa other frequencies. So ayan, dito sa version na to, mas balanced na siya, well-rounded lahat ng frequencies, walang nagsasapawan sa mga tunog na maririnig mo. It's perfectly balanced where it should be. For calls, I have used them for my Discord calls, and I can say na this one really did well. Hindi nag-complain ng mga kausap ko na hindi daw nila ako naririnig. My voice sounds well rendered, sounds clear, and I didn't have to put the earbuds near my mouth katulad ng ginagawa ko sa Mizone B6. It also has a neat noise-canceling microphone that could potentially lower the noise your mic could receive. So in short, this earbuds is really good for online classes and online meetings. Plus, matagal pa siya malobat, so pang matagalan mo siyang magagamit sa mga klase mo. So for the price of $1,089, should you get one? If you're looking for a budget price earphones that delivers high sound quality, long-lasting battery life, easy and comfortable design, and are great for calls, this one is a must-buy. But take note the tips that you will be using for these earphones. If you have small ears like mine, go get some ear tips that's best for you para ma-unlock mo ang true potential ng earbuds na to. I do have to tell you that if ever you've changed the ear tips with non-stock tips, they might not fit back right to the case. So you have to use the stock tips to charge the buds again. Either way, if your expectations are high on these earbuds, then expect that your expectations will be met. So that's my review for the Haylou GT1 XR. If you do like the content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell for you to get updated on every uploads that I make. I do it weekly. Anyways guys, if you're feeling depressed and weakened by the pandemic, always know na meron tayong Manila Bay na pwede nating titigan at pwede nating pagmasdan para mabawasan ng kalungkutan na nararanasan natin ngayon. Ngunit, subalit, sapagkat datapwat. Bakit ganun? Mass gathering sa Manila Bay pero bakit wala silang hinuli ni isa? Marami pang hindi nakamask. Meron pa nga naka-swimsuit pa. Ano ba yan? Nangyari na, Isko Moreno. Yun lang guys. See you sa next video. Bye-bye! Stop! Gago ka! Sira ulo ka!